Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Fifa Steam validating files loop issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to right-click on the Steam icon on your desktop. From the menu that appears, click on Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the necessary permissions to make changes to your system files, which is essential for resolving validation issues. Once Steam opens with administrator privileges, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up your Steam settings where you can adjust various configurations. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads and updates. Now you'll need to scroll down through this section until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that might be causing the validation loop and forces Steam to refresh its download data. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Steam will now clear the cache, which may take just a moment. Next, navigate to the upper left corner again and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed. Now, although I don't have FIFA 22 in my library list, I will show you the next steps. Let's pretend that I have FIFA 22, or I am using FIFA 22 for demonstration purposes. Right-click on FIFA 22 and then select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. This section contains tools for managing your game installation. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature scans all your game files and compares them against Steam's records to identify and replace any corrupted or missing files. Let it finish completely. This process can take several minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient while Steam checks every file. If the validation loop issue still doesn't work after verifying the game files, you'll need to move the game to another Steam library folder. This often resolves persistent validation problems by giving the game a fresh install location. Right-click on FIFA 22 again and select Properties. In the left panel, click on Installed Files once more. This time click on Move Install Folder. A new window will appear with a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu and select the folder that has enough space for the game. Once you've selected your new location, click Move. Steam will now transfer your game files to the new library folder, which should resolve the validating files loop. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the FIFA Steam validating files loop by clearing the cache, verifying game files, and if needed, moving the installation to a new folder. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.